Tool costs can drain your budget quickly, making Prime Day the perfect opportunity to upgrade your gear affordably. The annual event features amazing savings on power tools, hand tools, storage solutions, and workshop essentials. Ideal whether you're a casual DIYer, professional contractor, or homeowner managing basic maintenance. Our carefully selected list highlights Prime Day's top deals that deliver exceptional quality alongside meaningful discounts and dependable results. Explore these excellent bargains now while supplies and prices remain available. Four clamps for $13.27, representing a 34% reduction from $19.99. These adjustable 90-degree clamps work with materials measuring 3/16 to 1/4 inches thick, ideal for woodworking and construction projects. $18.98 represents a 37% savings on the $29.99 tag. This 10-inch measuring device locks precisely to copy complex shapes, perfect for flooring and tile installation work. At $60.79, you'll save 24% from $79.99. This brushless powerhouse delivers 1,000 foot-pounds of torque with 4-speed settings and work light functionality. Grillian Electric Grill Brush. At $89.99, you're saving 31% from the $129.99 original price. A 600 RPM motor powers this cleaning device, while the integrated soap dispenser handles the chemistry. Swap between chain and wire brush heads as needed, and store everything in the included carrying case. Grillian 7-in-1 BBQ Spatula. Grab this multi-purpose grilling tool for $19.99, down from $29.99, 33% discount. One tool replaces 7: spatula, fork, bottle opener, scraper, meat tenderizer, vegetable knife, and steak knife combined. The oak handle provides excellent grip and control during your cookouts. Temp Pro TP30 infrared thermometer, just $18.98, 35% off from $28.99. This non-contact temperature gun reads from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1,022 degrees Fahrenheit, featuring a 12-to-1 distance-to-spot ratio for safe, accurate measurements from several feet away. Craftsman 230-piece mechanics tool set. Invest in professional-grade tools at $129, 35% off $199. This expansive collection includes SAE and metric options across 1/4, 1/8, and 1/2-inch drives, all organized in a VersaStack storage system. Preco 132 tool set, priced at $47.46, a 32% discount from $69.99. This portable kit includes an 8V cordless drill with built-in LED, delivering 800 maximum RPM for household repairs and smaller projects. Transform painting jobs at $37.97, 37% below $59.99. 4 interchangeable nozzles and 3 spray patterns provide flexibility across different surfaces and finish types. Plus Tool Crimping Tool. Secure electrical connections reliably at $15.18, 20% off $18.99. Designed for AWG 22-10 heat shrink connectors, it features ratcheting mechanics and adjustable pressure. Home improvement and comfort. Drio Bedroom Fan. The Turbo Poly 353 costs $69.94, down 13% from $79.99. Whisper quiet operation, 20 decibels, 90-foot airflow capacity, and 8 speed settings suit any sleeping space. Roborock Ceros 10R. A substantial 38% discount brings this flagship model to $884.99 from $1599.99. Ultra slim design, 3.14 inches, powerful 22,000 PA suction, tangle-free technology, and automatic emptying capabilities. Shark Upright Vacuum NV356E. reduced to $139.99 from $199.99, 30% savings. The lift-away design includes a HEPA filter and specialized pet brush attachment for thorough cleaning throughout your home. Ring Outdoor Cam, one of the steepest discounts, 50% off, bringing the price down to $39.99 from $79.99. Battery-powered, 1080p video, two-way audio, and color night vision make this a comprehensive surveillance solution. Line Blaster Portable Air Conditioner beats summer heat for $189.98, 22% off $244.43. This 8,500 BTU unit cools up to 450 square feet while offering dehumidifying and fan modes with dual turbo airflow. Roborock Q Revo S Pro, priced at $449.99, 36% savings from $699.99. This dual mop system delivers 18,500 PA suction and self-cleaning mops at 167 degrees Fahrenheit for thorough floor maintenance. Kitchen and air quality. Levoit Air Purifier Core 300 covers 1,073 square feet for $79.98, 20% off $99.99. HEPA filtration, 56-watt motor, and verified performance make this compact unit reliable for allergen and odor removal. Philips Sonicare 5950 series. Improved dental care for $59.96, 45% reduction from $109.99. Pressure sensors protect gums, 6 brushing modes customize your routine, and the 21-day battery life minimizes charging frequency. Instant Pot Duo 6-quart, an impressive 41% discount brings this to $64.99 from $109.99. 7 cooking functions: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, sterilizer. Grill Spark Electric Grill Brush, a remarkable 52% markdown from $89.99 brings the price down significantly. Reciprocating motor delivering 600 to 720 strokes per minute, 21-inch reach, and 3 interchangeable brush heads. Avon Dual Channel TENS Machine, pain management simplified at $20.86, 37% off, $32.99. 20 modes with independent channels allow simultaneous treatment of multiple areas for effective relief. Our complete guide spans everything from industrial equipment to personal care items. If you're building a workshop, managing home improvement tasks, or pursuing wellness improvements, Prime Day delivers genuine savings across numerous product lines. Limited availability means these bargains disappear fast, stock depletes, and promotions conclude suddenly. Save this guide, fill your shopping basket, and purchase immediately when deals appeal to you. Thank you for exploring savings options alongside us, and watch for future buying guides, product comparisons, and affordable shopping tips. Enjoy discovering deals, and catch you later.